Replacing your home's windows is an investment that will have a big impact on your home. New windows will improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, curb appeal, and resale value. If you are preparing to make this investment, there are a number of different things that you will want to consider to make sure you are getting the best windows for your home. In this video, I'm going to cover just about everything that you'll need to know when buying replacement windows. Hi, I'm Jay, Regional Manager and Project Consultant for Joyce Windows, Sunrooms, and Baths. There are no shortage of window companies out there with different approaches and takes on how to either make or install the best windows. And as you get closer to making the move towards new windows, it's important to look at all these different variables and factors that go into getting the right windows installed on your home. We've boiled it down to the 7 most important subjects about replacement windows. Types of windows and what they cost, window frame material options, glass options, energy efficiency, durability, maintenance and warranty, noise reduction, and installation quality. We'll start with the types of windows. Double hung windows are among the most popular in residential homes. Both the upper and lower sashes can slide vertically, allowing for ventilation from the top, the bottom, or from both. They are a favorite for their versatility, airflow, and ease of cleaning. Pricing typically ranges between $950 to $1,950 per window fully installed. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward like a door, and they typically use a crank handle. They're favored for in hard to reach areas like over a kitchen sink, and they're more common in modern housing. They offer great ventilation and are easy to operate. Awning windows are similar, except they're hinged at the top and they open outward from the bottom. They're often placed higher on walls or in combination with larger windows. They're best for bathrooms, basements, and can oftentimes be found above doors. Pricing for casements and awnings generally fall between $1,000 and $2,100 fully installed. Next up are sliding windows. These open horizontally by sliding one sash past the other. They offer a wide view and are easy to operate. They're great for wide walls, offering a more panoramic view. Sliding windows typically range from $950 to $1,950 fully installed. Next up, we have picture windows. Picture windows are large, fixed pane windows that do not open. The primary function is to let light in and frame outdoor views. They're great for living rooms or anywhere that you would like a scenic view of the outdoors without any obstructions. Prices for picture windows usually fall between $1,000 and $2,100 per window. Next up are bay or bow windows. Bay windows project outward from the home and typically include a central picture window flanked by casement or double hung windows, whereas bow windows use 4 or more panels to create a curved effect. They're best for traditional or Victorian style homes, and they increase space and light and can include built-in seating or storage. Bay and bow windows typically range from $7,500 to $12,000 fully installed. Last is garden windows. A garden window is like a little mini greenhouse extending from the wall and is often used over kitchen sinks. It's inspired by the structure of greenhouses, and they're essentially mini box-like extensions that project outward from the home and feature glass on all sides except the bottom. Garden windows range in price between $3,000 and $5,000 fully installed. Next, let's look at what type of materials your window frame will be made with. In today's modern day, there are really 2 types of materials that are commonly used for window frames in residential homes: wood and vinyl. Wood windows dominated for years for their natural aesthetic beauty and excellent energy efficiency, as wood naturally insulates well against heat and cold. But the downside to wood windows is that they require regular maintenance, such as painting or staining, and they have also come to be a pricier option. Most of the windows that you see advertised, and there are a ton, are all going to offer some sort of vinyl style of window. If they offer wood, it's likely a bit less common and it will also be a bit more expensive. Modern vinyl is made from durable materials that are designed to last longer, stay clean easier, and are able to flex a little bit more than traditional materials. The best choice depends on your priorities. Next, we're going to look at the glass that goes inside of the frame. Today's glass is more than just a transparent barrier. It's a precision-engineered system built for thermal control, UV protection, and energy savings. Using ourselves as an example, at Joyce, our glass system is called Smart Shield, and it's designed to deliver year-round comfort, energy savings, and protection, starting with advanced glass technology at its core. Here are your primary components: low E or low emissivity glass coatings that are nearly invisible layers applied to the glass surface. They work by reflecting heat back into your home during the winter to retain warmth, while blocking solar heat gain during the summer to keep interiors cooler. This smart thermal control can reduce energy usage by up to 24% annually, helping lower your utility bills without sacrificing any natural light. Second, we filled the space between the glass panes with argon gas, which is a safe, colorless gas that's denser than air. This layer acts as a powerful insulator, significantly reducing the transfer of heat through the window, and as a result, your home stays more comfortable in every season with less reliance on heating and cooling systems. Next, we use our Smart Edge spacer between our window panes, which is a less rigid spacer that lasts longer, holding the argon in the window and keeping it energy efficient for the lifetime of the window. Lastly, our dual or triple pane glass options offer enhanced performance. More panes means more layers of protection, improving insulation, reducing outside noise, and maintaining more consistent indoor temperatures throughout your home. Glass performance has a direct effect on both your comfort and your energy bills. The quality of your window glass determines how well your home holds in heat during the winter and keeps it out during the summer, and that translates into real, measurable savings. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows is all about understanding the science behind what keeps your home comfortable and your energy bills low. Starting with the U factor. This measures the rate of heat transfer, specifically how much heat escapes through a window per square foot per degree of temperature difference between the inside and the outside. Or in other words, U factor measures how well a window retains heat. And when evaluating U factor numbers in cold climates, lower values are generally considered better. So a U factor of 0.2 to 0.3 is considered very energy efficient. Solar heat gain coefficient, or SHGC, measures the amount of solar radiation, the heat from sunlight, that passes through a window. This measurement includes direct transmission and heat absorbed and re-radiated inside. It's rated on a scale from 0 to 1, so a lower solar heat gain coefficient is better for hot climates, and a higher solar heat gain coefficient is better for colder climates. Next up, we have low E coatings. Today's low E windows can block up to 98% of harmful UV rays and are tailored to regional climate zones such as northern versus southern. Low E is no longer a luxury, it's generally an expectation in modern window design. We move on to argon gas. Replacing the standard air between double pane glass with argon gas reduces thermal conductivity by about 30%. Argon gas works behind the scenes to make a big impact. By reducing heat transfer, it's keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. It also helps minimize condensation by keeping the interior glass surface warmer, so no more fogged up windows on a chilly morning. Next is the spacer technology. A window spacer is what separates your panes of glass and keeps the argon gas in place. In the early days of insulated glass units, the space between two panes of glass was typically separated by aluminum or metal spacers. These rigid, thermally conductive materials held the pane apart and were sealed with adhesive. These metal spacers performed their basic structural function, but over time they would fail and leak out the argon gas, allowing for heat transfer easily through windows. The solution to this was Super Spacer, a flexible all-foam spacer system made from structural silicone and multi-layered vapor barriers. Super Spacer's memory foam structure made it radically different from traditional aluminum or even hybrid warm edge metal spacers. This offers a better seal for the panes of glass, which keeps the argon inside for a higher energy efficiency. And most recently, here at Joyce, we have introduced Smart Edge spacer technology, which is a structural cellular polymer similar to Super Spacer, but designed with a dual seal system to have the highest argon retention rate in the industry and provide superior insulation. Next up is foam-filled frames. Foam, typically a high-density polyurethane, is inserted into the frame's internal chambers. This dense material reduces heat transfer through the frame itself. Structurally, the foam adds reinforcement to the frame, reducing flex over time and helping maintain a tight, energy-efficient seal. So from U-factor and solar heat gain ratings to the hidden benefits of argon gas, low-E coatings, spacer technology, and foam-filled frames, each component plays a crucial role in reducing heat loss, blocking solar gain, and maximizing year-round efficiency. Together they form a high-performance system designed to battle drafts, block noise, and shield your space from the elements, all while letting in beautiful natural light. Now we move on to durability, maintenance, and warranty. Modern vinyl is nearly maintenance-free. It's designed to be a low maintenance and easy to clean product. Wood windows can be treated in a variety of ways, and if maintained properly, can be easy to take care of, but you will want to factor maintenance into the decision, as over time, wood does require painting or staining. A good measure of the quality of your windows is the warranty put on them. If a manufacturer is building windows that are built to last, it should generally be reflected in the warranty. When reviewing the warranty, make sure to understand the important details. As an example, at Joyce, we offer a lifetime transferable warranty on our windows because we manufacture them and install them with our own certified installers. Modern windows reduce noise through multiple panes of glass, insulated gas fills, laminated or thicker glass, better frames, and tighter seals. Together, these features make homes quieter, more comfortable, and more energy efficient. Many of the features that are designed for energy efficiency also aid in this noise reduction. Double pane or triple pane windows create extra barriers that sound waves must travel through. The layers of glass, separated by an insulating gas, which is denser than air and helps to dampen sound vibrations, as well as improve the insulation. While primarily designed for energy efficiency, low-E coatings can slightly improve sound insulation as well by adding another layer of material on the glass surface. Modern windows use advanced weather stripping and compression seals that block air leaks. Since sound travels through air, reducing leaks also reduces noise infiltration. Many modern windows are tested for noise reduction and are given what's called an STC rating. The higher the rating, the better the window is at blocking sound. Standard double pane windows have an STC rating around 26 to 32, while specialized soundproof windows can reach 40 plus. Even the best windows will underperform if they aren't installed correctly. Choose a professional installer with strong reviews, certifications, and warranties on their work. Read the fine print to ensure you're protected against defects and installation issues. So some final thoughts. Buying replacement windows aren't just about the looks. It's about performance, durability, and value. By considering these factors as you begin your literal window shopping, you can make a confident choice that enhances your home's comfort, efficiency, and appearance for years to come. If you would like to know what your new windows will cost, then try our new window pricing calculator and get your instant estimate now. Look for the link below. If you would like more information about Joyce's windows or to book a free, no obligation in-home estimate, follow the link below as well. And if this has been helpful and for more content like this, please like and subscribe below.